Alright, so I thought this might be fun to do. I do a lot of cast welding, and cast welding will make you feel like you can't weld nothing. So just a sanity check myself. A lot of times I'll grab a piece of metal that's the same type of the cast that I'm working on. Not the same type, but same concept of it. So we're doing cast aluminum. I'll grab a regular piece of aluminum, 6061, whatnot. If it's cast iron, then I'll just go grab a piece of mild steel or stainless and make sure everything's right. So in this case, we got a piece of aluminum that looks like it was cut on the saw quite some time ago. It's quite dirty. I'm gonna adjust my settings on the cleaning, and we're gonna weld on it, because we're gonna find that it does have to be as clean as you think it needs to be. Now, should you clean it? Oh yeah. There's just to kind of prove a point that if you're having issues with it, and you think that you're not cleaning it enough, or you're not cleaning your filler rod enough, or you're not doing your tungsten right enough, it could actually be maybe an air leak in the hose or something like that. Instead of thinking that it's this, if your rig's good and settings are all right, they don't need to be anything magical. There are no magic settings, sorry. It should be able to weld it. So we're gonna give it a go. Here. Guess I should show you guys. This is a pretty dirty piece of aluminum here. Using 2% thoriated tungsten, which you're not supposed to use. The reason I don't use it is because it grabs. I don't have 100 amps because I don't need more than 100. Alright. You guys saw it's a pretty nasty piece of what we got going on. No fancy cups, although it is an Amphiric Pro 8, but it's just a stubby 8 you can see through. Support small business, so I use it. It's kind of like my favorite thing. And it has nothing to do with him. It would be awesome if someone made an O-ring that could handle higher temperatures. Piece here. 53, 56 filler rod, 1/16. Turn our screw down here. Let's start right where it's real dirty. There we go. Pop it up just fine. Not clean it. Something you would sell to anybody? Probably not. Let's take a look at this thing. You can see where the part's starting to warm up. The freeze lines are starting to go away. So we're starting to get extra wide. I was pulling the amperage up the whole time, and it was almost getting to the point where we're going to lose the art. The part's too small to try and go this far across it. Better depiction if the part was longer and could heat dissipate right. This is about what we should have all the way around. Speed was a little bit high, but run a small filler rod, quick dabs. Nice even pen line all the way around. But if you're frustrated, check your hoses. A lot of times it's not the tungsten, it's not anything fancy. You can tell the condition of mine isn't even that great. We just welded a bunch of other stuff with it. It's split. That's what 2% thoriated does. You run on AC. Not supposed to, but it's what I got laying around at the moment. Don't feel like sharpening up a new one for what I'm doing. It works, it just makes you work a little extra. So I hope that was kind of handy. There's just a lot of stuff out there about sharpen this right, do this, clean that, it has to be this way, clean your filler rod, and you should do all that. It helps quite a bit. But if you're really struggling to get it to weld right, and you think it's because you're not doing one of those things, or you need a dedicated tungsten grinder, or you need some fancy filler rod from someplace, or you need some fancy tungsten from somewhere, it's usually not going to fix the issue. No, I don't need a fancy cup. We could have got out a ceramic 5. It just so happens the 8's on there from Ferric. You know, if we're, technically we want to do this, we put a collet body on it with like a number 4 or number 5. I mean, you can get as technical with it as you want, or you can just do it. And this great way to practice is just doing it, even especially when stuff gets a little bit messed up. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hope to see you again. Bye.